Space, the final frontier, and now, your next possible vacation destination. For decades, space travel was reserved for a select few, trained astronauts who dedicated their lives to exploration. But today, we're witnessing a revolution in space tourism that's changing everything. From suborbital flights skimming the edge of space to luxury orbital hotels being planned, the possibilities are expanding faster than ever. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic aren't just dreaming about making space accessible, they're actually doing it. But what does this mean for you? How close are we really to making space tourism a reality? And most importantly, what would it actually be like to be a space tourist? Let's dive into the details of this emerging industry that's literally reaching for the stars. Current state of space tourism. Before we get too excited about packing our bags for space, let's understand what it takes to get there. Current space tourism offers two main experiences. Suborbital flights are like giant roller coasters that go straight up. You'll reach about 50 miles above Earth's surface, experience a few precious minutes of weightlessness, and see the curve of our planet against the blackness of space. The entire journey takes about 90 minutes from takeoff to landing. Orbital flights are much more intense. You'll need to reach speeds of 17,500 miles per hour to stay in orbit. That's fast enough to circle the Earth every 90 minutes. Technology behind these flights is fascinating. Reusable rockets have revolutionized space travel, cutting costs dramatically. These machines are essentially controlled explosions, generating millions of pounds of thrust to break free from Earth's gravity. Future possibilities. The future of space tourism goes far beyond these initial steps. Private companies are already designing space hotels that would orbit Earth like miniature space stations. Imagine floating in a luxury suite with a window that shows our entire planet rotating below. These aren't just far-fetched dreams. Engineers are solving real challenges like creating artificial gravity through rotation, protecting against radiation, and maintaining breathable atmospheres. Some designs even include restaurants where you can dine while watching sunrise and sunset every 90 minutes. Lunar tourism is the next frontier. Several companies are developing spacecraft capable of reaching the moon. These missions would allow tourists to orbit our celestial neighbor and, eventually, even land on its surface. Walking where only 12 humans have walked before and seeing Earthrise over the lunar horizon, these experiences are becoming possible within our lifetime. Challenges and solutions. Of course, space tourism faces significant challenges. The cost remains the biggest barrier. Currently, a ticket to space can cost anywhere from hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars. But just as air travel became more affordable over time, space tourism prices are expected to decrease as technology improves and competition increases. Safety is another crucial consideration. Space companies are developing sophisticated emergency systems and rigorous training programs to ensure tourist safety. Environmental concerns are also being addressed through the development of cleaner rocket fuels and reusable spacecraft technology. Impact and future visions. Space tourism isn't just about adventure, it's about changing perspectives. Every astronaut who's seen Earth from space describes a profound shift in thinking called the overview effect. Seeing our planet as a small blue marble in the vastness of space helps us understand how precious and interconnected we all are. As more people experience this perspective, it could drive innovation and sustainability, inspire the next generation of scientists and engineers, and unite humanity in our shared journey to the stars. The space tourism industry is projected to grow dramatically in the coming decades. From orbital hotels to lunar excursions, the possibilities are endless. We're standing at the dawn of a new era in human space exploration, where the stars are no longer just for dreaming about, they're for visiting. So, would you take a trip to space if you could? Would you spend a weekend in an orbital hotel, take a walk on the lunar surface? The future of space tourism is closer than you might think, and it's absolutely incredible. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content about space exploration and future technology. Leave a comment below telling us where in space you'd most like to visit. And please share and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Copyright 2025 Mellori Hope Carrington TM, all rights reserved.